Let's talk about my nebulyft radio frequency tool that I use on about 3 times a week to stimulate collagen and elastin in my skin. This is the device. You actually put, this is what's called the nebulyft botanical soothing gel. Okay, so it's got all kind of wonderful ingredients in it. You put a couple of squirts on the head of the nebulyft device. You turn it on. There you go. I turn it up to the highest setting, and then you just start massaging it around your face, and it stimulates. This radio frequency will go deep into your skin to help stimulate the collagen and the elastin in your skin so that you continue to build that, because as we know, it decreases dramatically at the age of 44. So if you want to keep that youthful skin that you've got right now, and I'm talking to you ages 25 to 42, because what's happening right now, you have beautiful skin, you have great skin, you have plump skin, you have all the elastin and the collagen that you could ever need, and you don't realize what's coming. This is what's coming. So take it from me. Go ahead, like this video. Go ahead, follow me. Share this video with somebody that you don't want to gatekeep from. You know what I mean by that. Somebody that actually cares about their skin, or you want them to actually take care of their skin as well so they can look good for longer, if you know what I mean. Because right now, if you're between the ages of 25 and 42, other than acne, you've got everything going for you, everything going for you. But it's what you do right now that is going to make the difference when you are 44 to 74. And you want to make sure that you look as good as you possibly can. So you need to start now. And you need to take the advice of people who have been there and done that, such as me. I'm 55 years old right now. I have just had a facelift. Oh, I just got my first beep. So I'm going to add a little bit more, and I'm going to come to this side. I've just had a facelift. I do Botox. I do some filler on occasion where I feel like I need it. I do all kind of skincare products, gadgets, if you will, things such as this to try to continue to stimulate the collagen in my skin, because as you know, I'm a singer and I don't want to look extremely old on stage. You don't want to come see me singing when I look extremely old on the stage. So it's products like these, it's devices like these that are out there that you can buy, have in your own home, and do them whenever you want to. This device I try to do 3 to 4 times a week and just stimulate collagen. Basically what I'm feeling right now on these little probes that you see right there, those little gold tips, they're getting warm. They're not hot. They're just a nice warm, kind of like a stone massage, if you will. And I'm going over my cheek area, my jowl area, because I want to keep this all nice and smooth. When it beeps again, it gives you, one session is 10 minutes long, and it's 2 minutes per session is what you're getting. And if you can take 10 minutes 3 times a week to get that radio frequency, stimulate it a little bit, you buy this machine one time, you buy this gel when it runs out. It doesn't, I've had, this is the only one I've had actually, so it doesn't take much, just a couple of squirts on the top of the device right before you use it. I probably don't even have to add more. It just beeped again. I probably don't have to add more, but I do. I love doing this up here because it stimulates the collagen in my forehead. And if you have watched my video on my facelift, you know that I just did a lower facelift and neck lift. I did nothing to my eyes, to my brows, to my forehead. So I really have to continue and stimulate this as best I can to keep these eyebrows lifted and to keep the wrinkles off of my brow. Not to say that I'm not going to have a brow lift. Let's be honest, I might. And I probably will. You people who know me, you know that. So I'm just going to keep doing this. This is called the nebulyft. In case you did not get it, it is a radio frequency at-home device that literally it will stimulate the elastin and the collagen. And you girls and boys, men, ladies, between the ages of 25 and 42, if you are not stimulating, if you are not taking the advice of some of us older people who actually have been there, done that. I started all of my skincare about the age of 23 due to acne that I had, and I have been a huge proponent of great skincare and maintenance and treatments to try to keep my skin looking as good as absolutely possible for as long as absolutely possible. And so I think that it's something that you can do, and you need to be thinking about it, because as I used to bake in the sun in my teens and early 20s, I stopped that, started using sunscreen in my early 20s. You know, you need a sunscreen doing some more, one again, you need a sunscreen every single day of your life. Every day of your life, you need a sunscreen. Even though I did just have a facelift and a neck lift, I am going to go up underneath this because I want to keep this stimulated. I'm still trying to build the elastin. So as I'm doing this. All right. So if you have any questions, I would love for you to comment below. If you got any questions about the nebulyft radio frequency device, at-home device, if you got anything like that, let me know. And also, let me know where you're watching from. Let me know that you followed me. Share this video. It really does help my channel. So if you don't mind, that would be so awesome if you wouldn't mind doing that, because this is how I'm making my living now. All right, dears. Thank you again. I'm going to continue stimulating. All right. Until next time. See ya. Bye.